It's not just about filling a space. It's about creating a sanctuary, a place where the day softens when you walk through the door. What if your home felt like a deep breath? Picture sinking into that perfect sofa, bathed in natural light, framed by thoughtful layers of curtains. It's those quiet details, the way the rug anchors the room, or how the right lighting changes everything. We find beauty in simplicity, allowing the soft whisper of linen to define the moment. What does your peaceful chapter look like? There's something truly restorative about walking into a space that feels like you. It's not just about the pieces, is it? It's about the light and how those soft curtains frame the day. What makes a room feel perfectly balanced is when every element, from the sofa to the simple rug, just whispers comfort. Think about slowing down here, allowing that quiet moment of grace. This is where life unfolds, where you finally exhale. Doesn't it make you wonder what kind of beautiful routine you'll build in this space? Ever wonder what makes a room feel like yours? It's not just the clean lines or the perfect sofa. What makes this space special is how light enters, transforming everything. Imagine those sheer curtains catching the morning sun, creating that perfect sense of calm. Maybe it's the subtle glow from the lighting, meeting the texture of a great rug. Ultimately, home should feel like an exhale, a place where every carefully chosen detail, from the tiles to the simple drape, just allows you to breathe. It's about returning to peace. Imagine walking into a space that just breathes. It's about those quiet moments, isn't it? The soft light filtering through curtains, catching dust motes in the afternoon sun. A living room should feel like a sanctuary, a place where the day melts away. Maybe it starts with a deep sofa or a simple rug underfoot. But what really changes everything is how you manage the light. It's these details that make a house feel like yours. What possibilities do you see when you finally slow down? What if your living room wasn't just a space, but a pause button? It's about creating that sense of calm the moment you walk in. I love how thoughtful design can transform an everyday moment, from the way natural light filters through sheer curtains to the deep comfort of a great sofa. What makes this special is building layers, a soft rug underfoot, perfect ambient lighting, and nothing quite completes that feeling of sanctuary like simple, clean lines. It's about living beautifully, effortlessly. Where will you find your calm?